It is so early in the morning. It is so early in the morning, and I have all of this work to do. I need to get this out of the way, and I actually had to crank up the older laptop because my other one's sound is literal garbage. Yes. Um, anyways, today we're gonna be today in this video, it's a new video, and it's a new video. Wow, we're in semester 2. That's crazy. That is wow. Okay. Basically, we're gonna be finding the average rate of change. And specifically for this problem right here. Okay. This has been afforded to us not by Mr. Goff, but Mrs. Vetter. Okay, and as we all know, Vetter is better. And that's gonna be on the election 2024, 2025 too. Better is better. That's all we need. Um but anyways, so basically you have to figure out how to find the average rate of change for a function of yada 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 with the intervals -2 and 3. Okay, that is going to be very important because basically that's going to tell us our A and B. Why do we need A and B? I'll tell you why. Because we're going to be using this new equation system thingamabob. That's actually very important. And it looks a little bit like this. Okay. I cannot draw, but that is fine. It has been a while. So f of b minus f of a over b minus our regular a. And basically what this f of a is telling us is like what's our changed b and a once we put it into this equation, which is actually what we're gonna do. So let's do that real quick. Delete. I learned how to use the tools this time. We're moving up in the world. But let's see. Just have to make this perfect. There we go. So, anyways, now that we have all of that, first let's find our f of b and our f of a. How are we going to do that? We're just going to be plugging in, we'll do the f of a first. We're just going to be plugging in -2 wherever we see where it needs to be plugged in, and that will be these x's. See, the x's don't matter. We're actually getting rid of those. So, that would be f of a. Also, you know what? This is actually a quadratic. And if you were I'm not even gonna mention that. It's fine. It's not in the video. It's not gonna be in the video. Just cut that out. So I almost wrote a 2 there. It's gonna be -2. That's the mistake I made the first time. So -2 squared minus 2. Not right now. minus -2, and then also another 2 for x, and then plus 2. This is a lot of 2 going on. And basically, once you do all of this, once you do this and this, and this and this, squaring our -2 and our -2 times 2, that'll give us 4, and this will also give us 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8, and then we add 2, and we get 10. So now that we know 10 is our main thing we have here, We need some more space, so let's just, slowly get rid of this. Okay, I'm not sick. Anyways, now that we have 10, we can find our FOB. So, drawing tool, don't mind the blue. Now we're going to write FB. Let me make this a little quicker. FOB is... Oh yeah, we should probably draw the parentheses. That would help, wouldn't it? Okay, squared minus 2, and then add the 3. Wait, I almost made that a 3 too. And then add the 2. Easy peasy. Yes, this is what it should look like. I think this is what it should look like. Anyways, once you do the same thing for that, once you do all of that, these two, and then this one, and then we're moving from here to here, and then this to this, and then this to this, and this to this. My laptop is dying out, don't mind me. Then we get 5. After we do all of that adding and subtracting in that mumbo jumbo. See, it's actually pretty easy, and I think the words are just there. The words. They're literally only there to confuse us, okay? They're not even really that important, if we're being honest here. But anyways, now that we have our F of A and our F of B, or at least we know what our F of A and our F of B is, then we can put these together. You have to minus them because, again, we're referring to how we did things before. There we go. And let me get rid of this stray line. Actually, you know what? I'm going to... Oh my gosh. I'm going to recycle this. There we go. Okay. See, that's easier. Anyways, now that we have that, now we can plug in our B and our A. Also, I probably should have noted this one is going to be our B and this one is going to be our A because, again, how I said it before, it's F of B minus F of A. Don't get that mixed up. Don't put your A first and then your B because that will mess things up exponentially. Yeah, big words. So, 3 and negative 2. Wait, hold on. Negative 2. Yeah. And what is that going to give us? 5 minus 10. If it was 10 minus 5, that'd be different. But we're going to get negative 5. Minus negative 2 is going to give us regular 5. Canceling out those negatives. That is a very interesting looking 5. And then negative 5 goes into 5. Negative 1 times. Negative 1 time. But it's negative. And that is going to be our A, R, C. That is going to be our ARC, negative 1, which was actually pretty simple to do. It was pretty simple, easy stuff. I don't know why they gave us all this easy math to do. It's a little nerve-wracking, but here we are. And, yeah.